Hey everyone, take 3 ripe bananas and place them into hot oil. Cook them well. Then remove them from the oil. Peel the skins off and transfer the cooked bananas to a bowl. Mash this thoroughly. To the mashed banana, add a large onion, curry leaves, coriander leaves, red chili powder, salt, chili flakes, oregano, and graham flour. Mix this well until you have a nice, smooth, semi-thick batter consistency. Now scoop small portions of the batter with your hands and gently drop them into the hot oil. Fry until they are golden brown and crisp. Serve immediately with your favorite sauce. Enjoy! Subscribe for more.